My name is Wei Zheng. I'm the program director for Plastic Engineering program. I'm also the associate professor of Engineering and Technology department. This course is a testing and analysis of plastics. So in this course, students learn how to characterize the plastics in terms of their thermal, mechanical, and physical properties. They also learn why plastic failed and how we can do to prevent or reduce such a failure when we use plastics. And the students, as you can see, they use a variety of equipment to characterize the material and to better understand their use in the industry. We have 4-hour lab every other Friday, and we run this lab through remote control, fully online, but also fully hands-on. We have 4 stations, which means 4 equipment that they need to work on. So I have 2 labs that be responsible for 2 stations, and I'm responsible for the other 2 stations. And the student can remotely control the computer that's used to operate the equipment. That's the concept behind it.
I'm Olivia Hile. I'm a sophomore at UW-Stout in the Plastics Engineering program. I'm a lab assistant for testing and analysis of plastics. Before the pandemic, this was all in person, so it's been a big transition to this being completely online, and there was a lot of trial and error the first couple weeks of this class to figure out how labs would run.
As you can see, this course we use the various equipment in these testing areas, and the equipment is controlled by the computer. Now we work with IT on campus, and they set up all the computer to be remotely controllable. So now the students, it doesn't matter whether they are in a home or in their dorm, as long as they have internet, they can remotely control the computers, and then they can set up a programming, they can conduct a test using the computers.
I'm connected with the students with Microsoft Teams, and then I have a document camera set up so that they're able to see exactly what I'm doing. I have them tell me what to do so that they're actually running the experiments. It's not just me doing the whole thing for them and them watching. So they're responsible for what is done. The lab assistants have really become the hands for the students because we're the people that run everything. They aren't able to physically be here. So we're trying to have them explain to us exactly what we need to do. I came to UW-Stout because of the hands-on aspect. That was a large reason of why I decided to come here. And I'd been really worried because of the pandemic how that would change. And I've really been impressed with how UW-Stout has still been able to keep things hands-on even when we're not there. And they're still making such an effort to make sure that we learn the things that we need to know. It's just differently now.